Edo State is unequivocal in its demand that no portion of the territory of the present Edo State should be carved out to join other portions of other states for purposing of creating a new state for any group of individuals. It will distort our traditional boundaries, history, and ancestral.
Okay, my people, you all have heard what that Benin man said. That man is the Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice. His name is Dr. Sam Osagie. He represented the governor of Edo State during the public hearing organized by the House of Representatives in Bayelsa State. He said that no part of Edo State will be carved out for the formation and creation of another state. Nigeria law and constitution allows for boundary adjustments. When we talk about boundary adjustment, no be say government will just come carve on a land, give another state, or they can create another state. No. Now wetin the people wey dey there decide government go do for them. The governor of Edo State does not have any right to stop Ibank people from joining Anioma State. For some months now, Ibank people have been agitating, saying that they want to leave Edo State because of marginalization. Benin people have been treating Ibank people so badly in that Edo State. And now they say they want to join their Igbo brothers in Anioma, and you people are here saying that no part of Edo State will be carved to join another state. What is the language of Ibank people? Ibank people don't speak Benin language. Their language is Igbo. It's expected for everyone in this country to identify with their brothers, to be in the same state with people they speak the same language with. You don't force people that don't want to be part of you to be part of you. Person say you don't want to again, say you want to join the brothers. You dey here, they speak your English. They are here saying that no part of Edo State will be carved out to create another state. Can you imagine? The reason why they are doing all these things is because of the Oba of Benin. Now Oba of Benin, they send them all these things. Now Oba, they control the governor of Edo State, both their senator. I saw one video like that. Their senator was saying that the Oba of Benin owns every Benin people. Oba of Benin owns them all. Anything they happen for that Edo State, now Oba they control them. They tell them what they go do. The reason why people don't even talk concerning that Ibank issue when it dey hot that time na because of say Asian people call am, tell am say hey, come on out. You get sense, no say Benin people they pass their boundary. How can you suspend the kings of other people? They give a serious warning now why you come out a mouth from that Ibank issue. Person wey get sense suppose come out a mouth. If Ibank people are Benin speaking people, Okpebolo for do something. But Ibank is an Igbo speaking community with their own kings called Obi and Eze. So as the Oba of Benin suspend them, they say no. Say Oba Benin not get right to suspend them. The governor of Edo State not fit talk because the matter pass am. Some Benin people are saying Ibank people will never join Anioma State. Ibank land is Benin land. Ibank land does not belong to Oba of Benin. Ibank have been there before Oduduwa and the whole Obas of Benin were born. Ibank land does not belong to Benin people. Fine, we know it's in Edo State today, but Ibank people won't leave that state. Nobody they force them. They say they won't come out. Look at Ibank, look at Anioma. The land of Edo State is not the birthright of any Edo State governor. It's not the birthright of any Edo State senator. Edo State is the birthright of the indigenous there. So if person whether that Edo State say won't leave that state to join another state where they create, you know if you stop them. As far as say the law of Nigeria gave room for boundary adjustments, then the governor of Edo State, even their senator, cannot stop it. Well, this is what they can do. Many people are online backing, saying that no part of Edo State will be carved out, but they are just making noise online. We are in a democracy whereby people say where they want to be. Look at other tribes in Edo State wants to leave that Edo State because of marginalization. The indigenous Yoruba people in Edo State, they said that they want to leave that Edo State to join their Yoruba brothers in Delta State. So you Benin people, you still want to stop it? The matter personal, you can't stop it. See Yoruba people in Edo State, see their brothers for Delta State. They are very close to each other. They have to fight hard, put more effort to make sure that their brothers in Edo State are being brought back to join them, the Yoruba people. The Igala people in Edo State are agitating. During the public hearing in Enugu State, Igala people in Edo State came there saying that they want to join Anioma State through boundary adjustment, that they are being marginalized in Edo State. Anioma State that is 99% Igbo. They that are Igala speaking want to join Anioma State because they know that we Anioma people will never marginalize them. They know it. Ask yourself, why are people wanting to leave Edo State? Why other tribes where they won't leave that place? Because Bini people, Bini government is too bad and wicked. Bini government is too bad, marginalizing everybody there. Only Bini people, they enter power. Only Bini get power, get the whole power where that place, marginalizing everybody. Look at Ibank people. They have no political representation there. Nothing is going on in Ibank community. No light, no road, no hospital, no school, no development, no social amenity, no infrastructure. Nothing is working in Ibank. Ibank is just empty. Now Ibank people say that they want to leave Edo State. Yeah, you just carry mic, they talk rubbish, and no part of Edo State will be carved out to create another state. The last time, 90 senators supported the creation of Anioma State and the zoning to the southeast. And the creation of Anioma State also carries boundary adjustment along, in the sense that part of Edo State will be carved out and join Anioma State. So not the thing say and only Anioma State they just talk. We are still talking about boundary adjustments. 90 senators support them. No only una governor and una senator won't stop them. Una not reach. You can't stop it. They are not trying to carve out Benin land. They are trying to carve out Igbo speaking territories. So it's unstoppable. You can't stop it. 90 senators support Anioma State creation with boundary adjustment to zone and go southeast. Nah, come on, like they talk. This is the problem of Benin people trying to conquer everywhere, but una don't fail. We will never allow you people to take Ibank people away from us. Ibank land is Igbo land. Ibank people speak Igbo language. Look at how other tribes in Edo State want to leave you people. Esa people are there saying that if it's possible that they want to have their own states. They want to have their own state and leave you Benin people now because of una own done too much. You are here saying you want to stop Ibank people. You cannot stop Ibank people. Anioma State is a done deal. Anioma State is going to the southeast. Ibank people will join Anioma State through boundary adjustments, and nobody from Edo State, not even their governor and their senator, can stop it. Ishiewale.